Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to tell you about an opportunity from Deloitte company. So please watch the video till the end. So I will be starting by a description about the company. So it refers to one or more of Deloitte Touch Tomatsu Limited, and it is an UK private company limited guaranteed by DDTL and its network of members firms and their related entities. And also DTTL and each of its members firms are legally separated and independent entities, and it does not provide service to clients. In the United States, Deloitte refers to one or more of the US members firms of DTTL and their related entities that operate using this particular name in the United States and their respective affiliates. Okay, and if you want to know more about the company, so you can visit this particular website. Okay, it's completely depend on you. Now let me tell you the important thing, that is the qualification required. So the qualifications required are bachelor's in engineering. It may be in field of cyber security, information technology, computer science, software engineering, or other ancillary crucial and non-crucial branches. Important things: only 2022 graduates are eligible for applying, and masters in engineering, masters in science, master in computer applications, cyber security, computer science, software engineering of 2022 graduates are also eligible. And one should have the CGPA or equivalent 60% with no current backlog. And please keep this thing in your mind that you would not be eligible for the hiring process if Deloitte has visited your campus in the last 6 months. And also individuals currently employed with or by Deloitte in the capacity of full-time employees, fixed-term hires, interns, trainee, or contractor are also not eligible to apply for this role of analyst trainee. So, and other requirements are excellent interpersonal and communication skills. It may both written and verbal, and presentation. To be able to communicate in global virtual platform, should demonstrate high sense of ownership, attentions to details, and process adherence. Should be customer centric and focus on solving the customer reported issue in the most impactful way. Moderate analytical and problem solving skills to identify areas of continuous improvement. Moderate computer programming skills involving programming language like C, C++, Java, Python, programming foundation, relational database, networking concepts, and SQL. You should also have good knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint too. You should have good grasp of cybersecurity and risk domains would be added plus. And you should be profoundly curious and agile, and inclination to solving complex and challenging problems would be definitely a plus point for your selection. Okay, and I have already told you that your job position will be as analyst trainee. So here at Deloitte, you would not offer your just a job, but a career in the highly sought after risk management field. And they are the business leader in the risk market, so they work with a vision to make the world more prosperous, trustworthy, and safe. Their clients, primarily based outside of India, are large complex organizations that constantly evolve and innovate to build better products and services. Okay, so by joining this company, you will get to work with diverse team of professionals who designs, manage, and implement operations related to risk-centric solutions across a variety of risk domains for supporting global client. And while doing this, you will be gain exposure to the risk-centric challenges faced in today's world by organizations across a range of industry sectors, and become subject matter specialist in those areas, and develops into a well-rounded professional who not only has the depth in few risk domains but also has width of exposure to wide variety of risk domains. Okay, so the average earning potential in this role is 6 lakh per annum plus variable other benefits also. So now the question is, what work you will be doing? So this, as I already told you, that you will gain exposure to multiple technology risk domains like access control, identity, authentication, cyber incident stimulation, and many more. And also you will gain exposure to the following leading edge security solution relating to identity access management. And in this role, you will be able to build on your foundation expertise in technology and business, and you will be able to design, implement, test, manage, and operate risk management programs, process, and systems to address the growing challenge and risk of global client face. Okay, so this is all what you have to do as an analyst trainee in the company. Next, your experience could include improving operational performance by analyzing their client IT control and process across security and risk management operation, and also supporting various live applications related to data piracy and security control. You will also get experience in providing managed service program through ITIL aligned processes and approach to sustain highly secure and available mission critical system and address software vulnerabilities. You will learn to establish method for monitor smart device connected to the enterprise network, perform continuous monitoring and security analytics as a part of SOC, assisting forensic accounts in the detection and measurement of fraud or other violations, querying and mining large data sets to discover patterns, assess clients' control effectiveness to ensure high degree of reliability to their external financial reporting. And with that, you will also get experience to handle incident response support, troubleshoot, problem solve, and simplify complex technical issue for clients as part of operation. With this, many more things there which you will learn while exploring yourself in this job. So I have already told you about the qualification required. Now let comes to the most important part, that how about the selection process. So basically this is, as you can see here, it is 5-stage process. First one is registered. You have to register through the link. We will be providing you the link. Then the registered candidate will be getting shortlisted, and only the shortlisted candidate will go through the online assessment test, which will be followed by a personal interviews, and then possibilities unlocked for you to get selected for the job. So one thing, please keep in mind that online assessment is already in progress and the result will be shared in first week of January 2022. Okay, so opportunity is running very fast. Okay, so please take care of this. And this I have told you. So I have told you about everything, and so please apply as soon as possible you can. Opportunity is knocking at your door, and again I am reminding that online assessment is already in progress. So apply. We are providing you the link in the description. So apply as soon as possible you can. Till then, keep learning, keep watching, and keep exploring yourself. Thank you everyone.